Sikshayati, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email. Hire purchase agreement. Hire purchase means a written agreement to use the goods on payment of installments with an option to buy. Hire purchase is a kind of bailment, transfer of possession without transfer of ownership, with option to buy. The hirer is just a bailee of the goods with right to use the goods. Law. Hire purchase agreements are governed by the Hire Purchase Act 1972. The Sale of Goods Act 1930 does not apply to hire purchase agreements, but it contains option to buy. So, to that extent, Sale of Goods Act is also relevant for hire purchase deals. Parties. There are two parties in a hire purchase agreement, the hirer and hire vendor. Hirer, the person who hires, that is uses the goods by paying the hire purchase installments, is called the hirer. Hire vendor, the person who lends the goods to the hirer in consideration of hire purchase installments, is called hire vendor. Payment. The hirer has to pay hire purchase installments at intervals as specified in the hire purchase agreement. Recovery of price. The hire vendor cannot sue the hirer for recovery of price. Repossession of goods. If the hirer fails to pay or decides not to pay any of the further installments, the hire vendor can repossess the goods as per the terms contained in the hire purchase agreement. Rights of parties. Rights of hirer. After full payment of agreed installments, the hirer gets an option to buy the goods and become the owner of the goods. The hirer may at any time decide to return the goods to the hire vendor. The hire vendor cannot compel the hirer to pay the balance installment or any other amount. Rights of hire vendor. The rights of hire vendor, that is seller, is limited to the repossession of goods. Ownership. The hirer becomes the owner of such goods after payment of last installment. So, in a hire purchase agreement, the ownership passes only when the last installment is paid. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.